E-bicycles and electric motorcycles are more popular than ever across Clark County. Knowing the laws, riding responsibly, and understanding the risks can help prevent serious injuries.
Hi there, I'm Sergeant Matt Volker with the Clark County Sheriff's Office, and I'm here today to talk to you about e-bicycle and e-motorcycle safety. Some of the concerns with e-bicycles and e-motorcycles in Clark County are they're growing in popularity, but that also means that we're seeing increased incidents involving injury. Recently, for example, Clark County Sheriff's Office deputies responded to a 12-year-old involved in a collision. The 12-year-old was riding an e-motorcycle at night, in the dark, on the street, and collided with a vehicle that didn't see him. Fortunately, that 12-year-old survived, but did have very serious injuries, including broken bones. This particular incident could have been avoided by following all the rules that we currently have in the state of Washington as they relate to e-motorcycle and e-bicycle safety. If we're riding at night, we should have a light on our vehicles, and we should wear reflective clothing so we're easily seen by others. Let me give you a few examples of what e-bike enthusiasts should do to ride safe and smart. You should know what type of cycle you're riding and only ride it in areas that you're allowed. You should wear proper safety equipment, even including a helmet, regardless of your age. You should also provide extra courtesy to pedestrians. Parents, if you're purchasing an e-bike or an e-motorcycle for your child, it's important you understand also the classification and where it can be ridden. These things move fast, and if your child's driving in an area they're not allowed to, they can get hurt. It's important to understand what legally qualifies as an e-bike in Washington. First, it must have fully functioning pedals. Foot pegs don't count. Second, the electric motor cannot exceed 750 watts. If the motor is capable of producing more than 750 watts, it isn't considered an e-bike in Washington law. Washington law requires all e-bicycles to have a classification sticker. That classification sticker will list the classification of the bike, the power of the motor, and the top speed that will go assisted. There are 3 classes of e-bikes. Class 1 is pedal assist only with assistance up to 20 miles an hour. Class 2 may include a throttle and can travel up to 20 miles an hour as well. Class 3 is a pedal assist only with assistance up to 28 miles per hour. Riders of Class 3 e-bikes must be at least 16 years old. An electric motorcycle is exactly what it sounds like. It's a motorcycle powered by electricity, and it meets the same legal requirements as a gas-powered motorcycle. That means that it needs to be registered and to display a license plate. The rider needs to carry insurance, wear a helmet, and have a motorcycle endorsement. Electric motorcycles are intended to be operated on public roadways. They're generally not allowed on sidewalks, shared use paths, or in Clark County parks. Everyone should ask themselves a few basic questions before they ride. First, what am I riding? Where can I ride it? Am I wearing the proper safety equipment? And can other people, like vehicles, see me? Clark County. The Sheriff's Office just wants to remind you that e-bikes and e-motorcycles are a lot of fun, but we've got to do it safely, and we've got to know the law, and we've got to follow the law so we don't injure ourselves or our community members.
For more information, please visit wtsc.wa.gov/e-ride guide.